the fastest animal on Earth, the peregrine falcon. Top speed, over 240 miles an hour, in a stoop. Peregrines are so successful, they're found all around the world. Cliffs are their favorite habitat. They provide a vantage point to scope for food. And create updrafts that peregrines use to gain height before they strike from above. The success of most birds of prey depends on the mastery of flight.